Hi, my name is Nicole, and today I will be sharing with you some of my hair goals and hair issues that I struggle with. I'm naturally blonde. I've never done any chemical treatments. I've never bleached, dyed, done any highlights. I naturally have thin hair as a blonde, but in the recent past 2-3 years, I think, I've cut my hair quite short. So I think that improved its thickness, but I'm still looking to have thicker and more luscious and volumized hair. I have a very sensitive scalp, so I've tried a lot of different hair products in regards to conditioner and shampoos for the past 4 or 5 years. I mean, it's crazy. I cannot find anything that works for me. Even the most natural brands I can find in the store or order online just doesn't work for me. So I did some very deep research and I found Morrocco Method. And so I thought, I'd give it a try because I've heard very good reviews from it, and I have confidence that it would work for me. So my scalp is very dry and flaky when it comes to a bad shampoo. I cannot really use any commercial conditioners because my scalp will get super dry and itchy, and I will have wounds all over my scalp, and it's a big mess. So I really am just very eager to find something that works for me, both while achieving beautiful hair and sustaining my natural color, and having a healthy, clean, clear scalp. Thank you for watching.